Hey there, first grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. So today we are going to learn to count some bigger numbers. And we are going to do it as we play a game called Rolling for 50. So let's get started as I shrink myself into the corner. Today we are going to be doing grade 1, lesson 1.11. It's called Counting Larger Numbers. And this video is going to review some stuff about number lines and number grids. And then I'm going to show you how to play Rolling for 50. So let's go ahead and look at an important vocabulary word. Number line. Now, we've been working with number lines before. A number line has numbers, it has tick marks, and it has arrows, and it helps us count. So you can see here that we have a number line, and my number line has a whole bunch of numbers, and my number line has tick marks. These are these little lines that each one represents a number. And then I have arrows at the beginning and at the end because a number line can go on and on and on forever. Now, we also learned that on a number line we can count up or we can count back. And we learned that by playing bunny hop. When we counted up, we were heading toward that carrot. We were going to the bigger numbers. And when we counted back, we were heading to the hole in the ground, or we are heading to the smaller numbers. So on a number line, we can see the numbers, we can go up, and we can go back. Now let's go ahead and count the numbers on this number line. Let's start at 1, and we'll say them together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job. Well, today we're going to take a look at another math tool. This one's called the number grid. And a number grid has numbers in rows, they go across, and in columns, going up and down. So let's take a look at my number grid. So this number grid starts at 0, and then on the next line, I have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then on the next line, I have 10 more numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you can see on a number grid, we only go and have 10 numbers in a row going across. So it allows for us to take a look at some patterns in numbers. But one of the cool things about a number grid is that I can still go up. When I go up on a number grid, I'm going across to the bigger numbers. Like I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But on a number grid, I can also go back. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off. So a number grid is another math tool that we can use to help us count. Today, you are going to be playing a game called Rolling for 50. Now, Rolling for 50 uses a number grid, but the number grid's going to look a little bit different. You're going to notice on this number grid, I have some arrows. You'll notice that after the 0, there's an arrow that takes us all the way down, and then it takes us to the 1. They put that arrow there to show us how to use a number grid. We start, and when we reach the end of a line, we go all the way to the beginning of the very next line. And then we keep counting. So let's try. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's keep going. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Let's keep going. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Let's keep going. Start on another line. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So you can see this number grid, which is our game board for Rolling for 50, starts at 0 and ends at the number 50. So I'm going to go ahead and erase all of my highlighting on our number grid. And then we can play Rolling for 50. So you're going to find this game right in Seesaw. You're going to notice that you have 2 different colored counters, one red and one blue. And both players are going to start right on the 0. Now this game involves rolling one die. So you might have a die at home where you are able to go ahead and roll it. If you don't, I will put a link right in the Seesaw activity so that you can roll one of our die online. So let me go ahead and roll and see what happens. So here's my die. I'm going to click on it to roll. And I landed on a 1. So here's how we decide how to move. The game also has a little table. And the table tells us whatever number we roll, we have to move some spaces. If I roll a 1, I have to move 3 spaces up. So I'm getting bigger. If I roll a 2, I move 2 spaces back. I'm heading towards 0. If I roll a 3, 5 spaces up. If I roll a 4, 6 spaces back. If I roll a 5, 8 spaces up. And if I roll a 6, 10 spaces up. The winner of the game is the first player to either get to 50 or pass 50. Now I rolled a 1, so that means I move 3 spaces up. So I take my counter and I start. I go 1, 2, 3. And I put my counter there because now it's my partner's turn. So my partner goes and rolls the die. Oh, 6. Well, let's see what 6 means. 6 says 10 spaces up. Wow. Here we go. Zzz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 spaces up. Oh boy, the red is winning so far. So now I go ahead and I roll my die. Because now it's blue's turn. 6. Well, let's see. 6 means we move 10 spaces up. So I'm at the blue and I'm going to start to count. I'm hopping, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, 10 spaces. And then my partner goes 5. 5 says 8 spaces up. Ooh. So here's the red person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness. And then it's the blue team again. 4. 4 means 6 spaces back. Oh no, I have to go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I only had to go 4. So I was here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I moved 4 spaces back. And then the red player goes 5. I look to see what it is, move 8 spaces up. And the game continues that way. And the first person that gets to 50 or passes 50 is going to win the game. Go ahead, my first grade mathematicians, and log into Seesaw so that you can play Rolling for 50. I hope you win. See you soon. Have a great day.